Hi, welcome back. I'm Scott Schubert, and you may have noticed that I haven't made any videos about trading cryptocurrencies lately, and I've been very busy, but I just remembered that the last time that I made a video about trading cryptocurrencies was for a specific reason, and that was exactly one day before the recent turn up on all cryptocurrencies. And I'm about to make another video right now because I need to show you something that potentially is about to happen in the cryptocurrency market. So take a look here. This is Bitcoin, and the pattern that Bitcoin made is different from the pattern that other cryptocurrencies have made. Even if I show you exactly what it is that I'm looking for and describe the visual aspects of what it is that I'm seeing, I realize that most people won't be able to see every detail and be able to read the market the way that I'm reading it, which is like reading a language, just like, as I always emphasize, if you're learning to read Chinese or learning to read French or whatever. One thing that is absolutely certain is that this is a trend, and this is a counter movement to the trend. That's the first thing that you need to learn to recognize about how to read financial markets. It doesn't matter whether it's cryptocurrency or any other market. A lot of people in Forex and in cryptocurrencies want there to be some kind of super complicated and very, very technical type of thing because they think that that's what's required. So we had a big move up on all cryptocurrencies, and now for 6 months we've had a big correction. That's not an unreasonable amount of time to have a correction to that move up. It's about the right amount of time. Nothing to freak out about. Of course, people in all markets will always freak out because of ignorance, and we're not really concerned about that. So on the daily time frame, you can see a series of waves going down. I noticed from looking at other cryptocurrencies that some of them, this looks like 5 waves down. And on this one, this looks like 5 waves down right here. And if you like, we see this on Ethereum, but not on this one. We can see that as 1 and 2 of the continuation of the uptrend. Now, 5 waves down is normally not associated with a correction, but I have discovered that a lot of corrections have a 5-wave shape. What's even more important, Litecoin has a different pattern, and this pattern turns out to be a little bit more clear and easier to read. You can see this as a triangle. A typical triangle correction consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. After the E, a triangle correction continues the uptrend. If this is a triangle correction, and that's what you're seeing here on the chart, then this would be the last wave of that correction. And after that last wave, the uptrend would resume. A lot of people don't realize that. A lot of people don't know how to read financial markets, and a lot of people, even if I show them exactly how I'm reading the market, they would think that it is either too simple or too complicated or whatever it is that causes them to shut it out of their mind so that they don't get the results that they want. And if that is true, the next saying would be we would need to identify the end of this trend. This would consist of trends that are going down. And this has the 5-wave shape. There is a specific shape that trends make. And to me, this has jumped out as having the shape of a 4 and a 5. The 5 is already starting to be kind of long, but I've already noticed that in the cryptocurrency market, the wave 5s are typically quite long. Look at Ethereum. This one is a different pattern, and to me, this is 5 waves down. Not the typical shape. A trend going up, a correction shaped like a trend going down, the exact shape of a 5-wave trend. A correction that is shaped like a trend. Now coming toward the 78% retracement area. This very likely on Ethereum, which is a more bullish cryptocurrency, and maybe has more potential for growth. This one has the shape of the 1 and 2. It's so fascinating to see how that compares to the current pattern that we have on the other cryptocurrencies, which the main one that I'm focusing on are Litecoin, Bitcoin, Neo, which I'm not showing today, and Ripple. There's Ripple. Has quite a different looking pattern. It still is 5 waves going down, and the 5th wave has the exact shape of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These markets are very likely to be coming to the major turning point that everyone is looking for. And once again, I'm going to show it a day in advance. Unfortunately, very few people are watching these videos. And if you share these videos, just make sure that you only share them with people that you think really need to know this stuff, because not everybody should see this. And the idea that it's possible to read the market, it's possible for you to learn to do it with some time and practice, that's very important, because a few people really want to know that. And a lot of people would do anything to be able to do that, even if it requires a lot of practice, skill, and many, many hours of working at this day after day after day to be able to perfect this and master it so that you can actually master the business of trading and create the life that you really want. So I encourage you to do that if that's what your goal is. If you have any intention of creating a business in trading, contact us and just let us know that that's what you're really interested in doing, and I will help you to achieve that goal. Have an excellent day, and I look forward to talking to you again really soon.